GMT generally rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Bull controlled GMT's sort of current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn generally is drifting at $346,717,663, which especially is very critical. Current stepn cost most certainly is $0.29. 22 October 2023. In this video we will walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified pressing issues, facts. What sort of is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for stepn? Basically is GMT an especially wise venture? stepn support and opposition levels and so forth amazingly. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,134,997,981,662, genuinely further appearance how stepn support and opposition levels, and so forth, in a sort of large manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume especially remains at $40,453,921,837, showing how current stepn cost especially is $0.29. 22 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through stepn cost examination for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time, explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts. What basically is for the most part transient cost expectation for stepn generally is GMT a kind of wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, showing how bull-controlled GMT's exceptionally current cost activities in an all things considered, significant way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, or so they essentially thought. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP certainly is up by 0.19, and at present exchanging at 52 cents, for the most part further appearance, how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in a for the most part descending bearing for pretty present moment, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a truly broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of huge manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more beautiful dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially shows that right now, a by and large broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite huge manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors basically become move in every practical sense, dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, by and large is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, exhibiting that XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.19 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, essentially further appearance how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. There basically are very nearly 1,104,192,453 essentially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, exhibiting how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, exhibiting that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, is up by 0.19 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents. By and large further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 22 October 2023, inside an essentially day-to-day time span, most certainly made sense of beneath in a genuinely significant manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to for the most part, examine the future development of the STEPN. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while in every way that really matters, complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, exhibiting that XRP, the local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, pretty further appearance how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The very relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone.